Now, to handle all of this, and we are still talking about 1 terabyte, correct? But now we are into terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, and zettabyte. So we are in zettabyte. So in 2025, I'm talking about KSR's terabyte only, 1 terabyte. But after terabyte, we have petabyte, we have exabyte, we have zettabyte, we have yottabyte. So zettabyte is what we have the data. So which is nothing but 21, 10 to the power of 21. So in 2025, 175 followed by 10 followed by 21 zeros. We are talking about an ant. And here it's an elephant. We are talking about ant in KSR. 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 10 terabyte. But if you see the overall data that is getting generated from all the organization is 175 zettabyte, which is nothing but 175 into 10 to the power of 21. Oof. To count itself, it will take time. Where will I go and store this? That is exactly what we are seeing the growth of data. And all of this, do you think I can go and dump it in one tool? Not possible.